Hello there. This is Ademi Adelisi, Edu CEO, Soakning Pest Control Services. Soakning Services have been in the cleaning industry for over a decade. We are into cleaning services and pest control services. We are also into pre and post construction cleaning. We are also into commercial within janitors trading and recruitment services. We are also into in and out cleaning services. And lastly, we are also into details deep cleaning. This is a cleaning industry that is so wide that you have to make sure you come into this industry and make a name and a difference for yourself. Cleaning services is one of the biggest industry we have all over the world. But in Nigeria, it's one of the fast growing industry in Nigeria today. Soakning services have been in the industry, and we are make a lot of effort in solving problems, in making sure we give our clients and as a customer in a top-notch services. And over the years, we are the part of this and the doing this to make sure we make a name for ourselves. Going to janitors recruitment and training. We also, I is also interested in we put in janitors for offices. We recruit and we train them, then we deploy them in offices, area of our base all over the city. So this is area where we learn over the years that we need to train our staff, to have a common goal, like the same vision and the same mission with the company. This will help us, carrying out our duty, very well and a top notch. So another way is the pre and post construction cleaning. This is where we move into maybe a renovated or a new site where we're funding and we carrying out a very detailed cleaning in this area, where we are the one that will do the last just to make the facility or the building ready for a moving or for itself. We have series of feedback that and help the company to develop and to grow, and that is why we are very open to our client, and we have a fine client base where we don't joke with our feedback. So this is also Soakning services make it a difference in the cleaning industry. So why can't you give us a try and let's be your gamer? We're kindly to say thank you and God bless you.